Everything said, you click, and boom, something went wrong. No explanation, no progress, just wow. Welcome back to Saxby's Pro. Let's cut through the noise and fix this Google Flow error first with a few simple moves that actually works. Okay, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Google Flow's official website. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Now, at the very top left corner in the main URL tab, there is a settings icon. Click on it. From here, select cookies and site data. Then click on manage on device site data. From here, delete all the cached file that it has been saving, and after deleting all the cache file, click on done. As you were saying, it's asking for a reload so that it can work properly. Then again, click on the reload option, so it will refresh your page and give you a new start. Okay, let's try if it's working or not. Click on new project. I want to generate a cat image, so I'm in the chat box. I'm asking for to generate a cat. Generate a calico cat and hit the enter button. Let's see if it works or not. Okay, it has generated the cat. That means the problem has been solved and it's now working very clearly. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you a lot. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Saxby's Pro. See you in the next video. Bye.